This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. So, when using the duplicate special option, you may find something that may not work in the way like I have shown in the previous lesson. And that is this separation of duplicated objects from one another. Let me show you again. If I select this object, go to the Edit menu, and click on this option for Duplicate Special, here are all the previous settings. I want to create 8 copies of the selected object, each rotated by 45 degrees along y direction. Okay? Once I click on Duplicate Special, it creates 8 copies of this object, each rotated by 45 degrees. If I push them out, all of the 8 copies will still be together. Now the question is, why? This is because the Move tool is currently working in the global direction. So, it will move all the duplicated objects in the same direction as pointed by the global axis. So, in order to move the objects in their own direction, we have to double-click on the Move tool to open its settings and set this axis orientation to Object instead of World. Now, if I push them out, all of them will move out in separate directions, which is their own z direction, each rotated by 45 degrees. You can see, as I select them, each of them has their own z direction, facing in a different angle according to the orientation of the object. So, this is how it works. Alright, see you in the next video.